Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Hema again with an unboxing video. Today I'm gonna unbox and review about the June month GlamEgo box. I have a 3-month subscription, and the box subscription is gonna over this month. I have to anyway renew. And if you guys are new and wondering what is GlamEgo and what is all about these beauty subscription boxes, then keep on watching and do not forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell icon below the video so that you will be notified whenever I upload a video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thanks a lot for your love, guys. Let's get into the video. So if you're new to the subscription box, this is how the GlamEgo outer coverage looks like. And GlamEgo is one of the most affordable, and at the same time the products which we get in GlamEgo are quite interesting and promising. So this month box looks like this. So this is this month's box, and it says I'm not regular. Each and every month they came up with some new codes and themes, and this is the contents. I'm sorry guys about that rubber band. I have, other than that, these are also included in the box. Okay, so I just kept them out. So this is how the box looks like when you open it up. There are several cards. Let's see one by one later, and let me take the box so that I can show you the products. So okay, the first product which is most interesting according to me is the solid perfume by Vert. So this is how the box looks like. It's a tin box. So I did already sniffed it, and you can see that I have taken it. Looks, the consistency is like this. You see here? This is how the consistency is, and it should be used within 6 months. And the price is so high, guys. It is 1,000 rupees. I don't know how they quote 1,000 and why they quote 1,000. I'm not sure. I have to check the Vert website to know more about this. But I'm liking this product. So probably, is this one of the luxurious brand? I'm not sure, guys. I have never used luxurious brands a lot, one or two maybe, not a lot. So I'm new to the beauty and the luxurious products. So let me show you the next product, which is actually a combo of lipstick and a lip liner by Voste. It's ultimate lip contour set. This is their new product range, I think. Oh, you can see my camera. So this is the new product range, and this is how the outer packaging looks like. And I selected a Hollywood crease. That is how you pronounce Hollywood crease. Okay, whatsoever. If I'm pronouncing it wrong, please do mention that in the comment section below, guys. So this is the actual color. You can see this is how it's gonna look like, but let me give you a swatch. This is just one swipe, guys. So you see that I already have this color, but I'm so into this color, the plum one. I call this as a plum or a mauve nude. So this is how the pencil looks like, and it is completely matte. And this is how the lipsticks looks like. So this is the lipstick, and this is the product in the bullet. Let us swatch and see how it looks like. Oh, it's an exact match. Yes, good. So it's a good product. I'm so happy that instead of giving us the old products, or in the sense the products which is already in the market, this is a new launch by Voste, if I'm not wrong. But we got that in a box. That is quite interesting, and happy that we get new products immediately in a subscription box. So let me keep this here. I love this box a lot, so I just wanted to put that on the frame. And the next product which comes into my hand is Blossom Culture Aroma Magic Coffee Bean Scrub. There are, like, most of the Blossom Culture products are they have been contributed in GlamEgo in most of the subscription boxes, but this is something unique. I never used it. It's a coffee bean scrub, and let me see the consistency. Oh my god, I took a lot of product, guys. So this is how it looks like, and let me sniff it. Yes, it has some, probably I'm getting that word smell along with this, so I couldn't actually guess it. Yes, it has a strong coffee smell. It feels like a filter coffee smell for me. So, and it has very minute granules. So I'm gonna give it a shot. I love coffee, cocoa related products. So this goes here. And the last product is from SeSa, and it's an Ayurvedic Oil, I don't use oils regularly. I just use coconut oil over the night, and then I will wash it off the next day. So that's how, I'm not sure whether this is a good product or does it gives good results, but this is how the inner package looks like with the long hair. Oh my god, I cannot get that much hair, and I cannot, oh, it is sealed. I thought of taking it out, but it is sealed. Let me. No, I'm not going to open the seal, guys. I'm sorry, because I'm not sure whether I'm going to use this, and I don't want to, open and waste the product if I'm not going to use it. So probably I can gift it to someone in my friends or family, or maybe in a giveaway, so that it is useful for some other person. So this goes there. So these are all the products which I got. Okay, let me have the product out so you guys can see the product. So this is all I got in GlamEgo June month box, and I'm quite happy with the lip contour kit and the Vert. Other than that, both the Aroma Magic and the SeSa oil is not so interesting, but it's okay. And we got a coupon code of 20% off on Aroma Magic, and I will put that in the description box below. You can use it, guys. And there is an info card. Always they send an info card. They say, so this is about the lipstick, and this is about the Vert, and this is about Aroma Magic and SeSa. So they give the detailed description here, so you don't need to go and check that out. So you have everything on your screen. So the next one is by the Vert. It says like store in 25 degrees Celsius, just an alarm or a warning card. So that goes there. So this is all I got, guys, and for $3.99 it's a very good deal. We get all these things. I can buy this box just for the Bella Voste. So that much I love Bella Voste products nowadays. So it's quite interesting and quite happy. But I want to see more versatile products like this Vert and Bella Voste rather than a normal product. So I understand that you cannot put 4 versatile products in a same month bag, but this is good, and I want the GlamEgo to continue the same. So what do you guys think about the GlamEgo June's box? And if you have any suggestions or comments to GlamEgo or to me, you can put that in the description box below, and I am happy to work on constructive criticisms. Then I don't want to waste much of your time, guys. I have to give you short information that I'm gonna do a giveaway in my channel immediately after reaching 150 subscribers. So make it happen, and we will have a happy giveaway. That's it, guys. Have a wonderful day. Love you guys. Bye bye.